I bought and tested these exhaust tips so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. If you're looking to add a deep, aggressive sound to your ride, you've come to the right place. I've spent some time with these products, and I'm here to share my honest insights. Product number 1. DC Sports EX1013 Exhaust Tip. The experience with the DC Sports EX1013 was nothing short of exhilarating. Installing it was a breeze. I simply bolted it onto my car's exhaust system and immediately I could feel the difference. The resonated tip enhances the sound output, and it's not just a gimmick, it truly makes the car sound more powerful. The polished stainless steel finish gives it a sleek look which complements my vehicle perfectly. Now, driving through the streets, the deep growl emanating from the exhaust draws attention. I remember pulling up next to a couple of friends, and they couldn't help but comment on how aggressive my car sounded. Pros: the installation is straightforward, requiring only basic tools. The enhancement in sound is noticeable, and it even claims to increase horsepower, which is a bonus. The aesthetic appeal with the polished finish is another win. Cons: one downside I noticed is that it might not fit perfectly on all vehicles, so make sure to check compatibility. Also, the sound might be too loud for some, so it's worth considering local noise regulations. Why buy it? If you want an affordable option that enhances both the sound and look of your car, the DC Sports EX1013 is a fantastic choice. It delivers on its promises and provides a noticeable upgrade to your vehicle's performance. Product number 2. Evil Energy Exhaust Muffler. When I got the Evil Energy exhaust muffler, I was intrigued by its unique design. The burnt blue tip stood out visually, but what caught my attention was the promise of a deep, resonant tone. Installing it took me less than 30 minutes, and once it was in place, I fired up my engine. The sound that came out was music to my ears, rich, deep, and powerful. It truly transformed my car's personality. One evening, I decided to take it for a late-night drive, and the sound echoed beautifully in the quiet streets. Pros: the premium acoustic control is impressive. It's packed with sound-absorbing cotton that really enhances the low tones. The design is universal and it fits a variety of vehicles. Plus, the aesthetic appeal with the burnt finish is a great conversation starter. Cons: one minor issue is that the dimensions require you to double-check your vehicle's compatibility, as it has a specific inlet and outlet size. If it doesn't fit, you might need additional adapters. Why buy it? If you're after a stylish exhaust kit that delivers a deep sound and is easy to install, the Evil Energy Muffler is worth every penny. It's not just about looks, it's about transforming your driving experience. Product number 3. Beelport Carbon Fiber Exhaust Tip. The Beelport Carbon Fiber Exhaust Tip immediately drew me in with its sleek, glossy black finish. I love the idea of a stylish modification, and this tip certainly delivers on that front. Installation was straightforward. I simply bolted it on, and the transformation was instant. The deep growl that emerged from my exhaust after installation was exhilarating. I remember the first time I drove past a group of car enthusiasts. Their heads turned as they heard that deep, throaty sound. Pros: the material is top-notch, offering great durability and resistance to corrosion. Plus, it protects the original exhaust from the elements, which is a huge plus for longevity. The design not only looks good, but also prevents dust and debris from affecting the exhaust. Cons: the size is a bit specific, so it's essential to ensure it fits your exhaust pipe's diameter. The installation is easy, but if you're not comfortable with tools, you might want to seek help. Why buy it? If you want an exhaust tip that combines aesthetic appeal with functionality, the Beelport Carbon Fiber Tip is a solid choice. It's not just about looks, it's about enhancing your vehicle's overall sound profile. Product number 4. DC Sports Black Exhaust Tip. The DC Sports Black Universal Bolt-On Exhaust Tip was a product I was eager to test. The black finish gives it a menacing look that perfectly complements my sporty vehicle. Installation was as easy as it gets. I had it bolted on in minutes. The moment I started the engine, I was greeted with a resonated sound that made my heart race. It's not just about aesthetics, it genuinely enhances the performance. One afternoon, I took it for a spin and the sound was remarkably deep, making me feel like I was behind the wheel of a performance car. Pros: the installation process is user-friendly and the bolt-on design means no welding or drilling is required. The sound enhancement is noticeable and the flat black finish gives it a sleek, aggressive look. Cons: the fit may not be perfect for all vehicles, so checking compatibility is essential. Also, if you're looking for a subtle sound, this may not be the best choice. Why buy it? If you're serious about enhancing your vehicle's sound and appearance, the DC Sports Black exhaust tip is an excellent investment. It delivers on both fronts and is easy to install. Product number 5. Mupera Adjustable Exhaust Tip. The Mupera Adjustable Exhaust Tip was a delightful surprise. I loved the idea of an adjustable tip that could fit multiple vehicles. Upon receiving it, I quickly found that installation was a breeze. I secured it in place and was eager to hear the sound it produced. The moment I started the engine, the deep, throaty growl resonated beautifully, and I couldn't help but smile. I recall driving through the city and I noticed several people glancing at my car, clearly impressed by its sound. Pros: the adjustable design is a significant advantage, allowing for a perfect fit on various tailpipes. The black powder coating not only looks great, but also protects against rust and wear. Easy installation means you can do it yourself without professional help. Cons: although it's designed for universal fitment, it's essential to ensure your exhaust pipe is within the specified size range. Additionally, while cleaning is straightforward, neglecting it could affect its longevity. Why buy it? If you're looking for versatility combined with style and sound enhancement, the Mupera Adjustable Exhaust Tip is an excellent choice. It's a fantastic addition for car enthusiasts who want to make a statement. In conclusion, each of these exhaust tips brings something unique to the table. Whether you're looking for deep sound, stylish aesthetics, or both, you can't go wrong with any of these options. Enhance your ride and enjoy the roar.